In previous session, I already discussed about C string library, and we have already discussed about the strcpy function, also known as string copy function. Now, in this presentation, we will consider one more important function which is available in this library, strlen function is also known as string length function. So let's get started. The prototype of this strlen function or string length function is as follows: size t with strlen. In this round bracket, const char star str. You might ask me this question: what is this size t? Here, size t is simply representing an unsigned integer type of at least 16 bits. You actually don't have to bother about size t at all. At this strlen function, return an integer value, that is the length of the string. Okay, this size t is basically representing an unsigned integer type of at least 16 bit. Now it depends upon in your computer that it would be 16 bit or more than 16 bit. String length function is used to determine the length of the given string. When it's provide a string to string length function, it will return the length of the string. Actually, we are not passing the whole string to it, passing pointer to the first character of the string, right? But it will return the length of that particular string. To the string length function, we should pass the pointer to the first character. As we already discussed, of the string whole length we want to determine, and as a result it return the length of the string. There is one point we should note down, that it doesn't count null character at all. If we have string, let's say hello, then the string length function, that is string length function value, return 5 as the output, but not 6, because it will not count the null character which is there at the end of the string. Okay, now let's consider one example. Here we can see we have main method. In that main method, within this main method we have pointer to a character, and we simply passing a string literal to it, that is hello world, and we want to determine the length of the string. So we are passing the string strlen. Actually, we are passing the pointer to the first character to it, and it will return the length of it. This whole string, that is the output. In output of this program is 11. Therefore, the length of the string is 11. And please note down the string length function, we never count the \0 or null character. That's why the output is 11, not 12. Now let's change in your code. We can change this to square bracket. The rest of the code is actually the same. Now the output in the case is also 11. There is no change. But what if I add 100 here? You might think the output will be 100 because the size of this array is 100. But again, the output it will return 11. Why is that so? Because it calculates the length of the string and not the length of the array. Is string length function always calculate the length of the string, and it will never calculate the length of the array. We are simply passing the string length 11 and not of the length 100. If the character array can accumulate up to 100 characters, but still it will calculate the length of the string, not the length of the whole array. Okay friends, I hope you understood now string length function. If you have any queries, question, please write below in the comment section. I will answer them. If you like the video, please click on like button and share the video with your friends. For other topics, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload my new video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good day.